Hello, how do I report losses from swing trading? You report your losses the same way you report your profit from swing trading as well. On your 1099, you will have the stocks that you purchase, the name of those stocks, when you purchase them, when you sold them, how much you purchased them for, how much you sold them for, and if how much you sold them for is less than how much you purchase, let's say a stock that how much you sold a stock was less than how much you purchased that stock, then you'll have a loss. So you'll report your losses and your profits on your in your tax software the same way, pretty much the same way for both of them. And the summary of all those losses and your profits will determine, the bottom line, whether it is a profitable, if you have a capital gain, or if you have, a loss. But as for every single stocks that you traded that you will enter, whether it is you have a loss or you have a profit, you will enter those the same way. Let's analyze CTSH as of August 14, 2026. Okay, so when we are looking at CTSH on a maximum monthly chart, is more close to the valley line that we like to buy it on our buying zone than it is close to the selling zone, all-time highest price. And when I'm looking at this stock, is a stock I will say that is more an investment type of stock, but at the same time is a stock that I will prefer not to buy again. For the moment I purchased it when it was around this support line, which it relied on in the past, but from the moment it fell off of it and went down to this support line that it has not touched base with since 2009, I will prefer not to have it in my watch list again. And right now I could well be close to be profitable, and I might think about, as soon as I'm a little bit profitable in it, to sell it and get out of it. That will be one. Second, all-time highest price is quite in the past. I prefer that to be, within the past 2 years or so. And that's what I would say this stock is more like an investment type of stocks. But I would have preferred if you respected this support line and didn't go below it. So again, 2009 was during economical crisis, and I don't know if that's the same thing that is repeating here, but within the two, this support line will have been a good one to be considered a valid line because it touched base with it regularly. That will show still growth in this stock at the very least. If going lower, this one will be acceptable where I purchased it, but from the moment it went all the way down to this, I think it's too far below for me to keep it on my watch list and continue swing trading it. So for that reason, I would prefer to sell it as soon as I can to lock in my small profits and just use that money to swing trade a better growth stock. Because with my strategy, I prefer to focus on growth stocks and swing trade those. Do you swing trade CTSH? I'm not saying it's a bad stock. I'm just saying with the strategy that I'm using, liking to trade growth stocks, this is now reflecting a good growth type of stocks for me to swing trade it. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income beside your job. It's not about quitting your job or retiring early. It's just about having an option, make good use of your hard-earned money by putting some to work for you as well. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint brokerage account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.